Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. This is why you pay for a professional. Luckily, he's okay. Always look up even after the tree is down. And don't forget your hard hat. Imagine a giraffe on roller skates, balancing a stack of teacups in a hurricane. That's kind of what these drivers are up against. Yeah, it's that wild. Cutting down a tree is no joke. Always observe, analyze, and assess the situation. One moment of carelessness can cost you. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you find the video interesting, give it a like and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video on my channel. My goodness, watching that colossal root yield to the cable's pull is like witnessing a primeval struggle between titans, a true testament to the sheer strength of modern machinery, a battle against the unyielding forces of nature. Removing a decaying tree may seem drastic, but it actually jumpstarts ecological succession. This fallen giant creates an opportunity for new life to emerge. Whoa, these cedar trees are absolute giants, but today they've met their match. This guy is a total pro, his skills are unreal. Watch how he fells these giants with pinpoint accuracy. It's like watching a surgeon at work, only way more badass. Wait till you hear the crash when these monsters hit the ground. The undisputed king of the West Coast. His dominance isn't just about brute strength though. His power is undeniable, but it's the complete package: physique, skill, and pure determination. The situation is giving me major dumb ways to die déjà vu. The PTH 1000 to 1000 SEM Pizzolatto drum chipper is a top-tier solution for high-volume wood processing. Driven by a powerful Caterpillar C18 engine, it delivers an impressive 800 horsepower, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. With its robust construction and advanced features, this chipper is built to handle even the most challenging applications. Check this out. HSM Forest took their HSM 405H to L forwarder to the Austrian Alps and put on a show. This footage is incredible. Watch it scale those extreme slopes and grab logs with pinpoint precision. The grapple, bam, a total game changer for tough terrain logging. Stumps got you stumped. Unleash the power of the fecund stumps. This video is a visual symphony of grinding action, turning stubborn stumps into dust. Prepare to be amazed. Marvel has become a symbol of unsustainable deforestation. Its sheer brute force makes clearing forests for agriculture effortless, but it comes at a heavy cost loss of biodiversity, soil degradation, and worsening climate change. We lost 12.7 million hectares of irreplaceable forests, mainly due to industries like soy and palm oil. We must strike a better balance between meeting agricultural demands and protecting nature. The Valmet 840.3 Forwarder is a game changer for the timber industry, offering superior performance. Its advanced off-road capabilities lead to greater efficiency, reducing cycle times even in the toughest conditions. This, in turn, boosts both productivity and profitability. Investing in this machine provides a clear Can you imagine the journey these logs take? Starting in Orowakowski, they're bundled together and sent floating downstream. But here's the real surprise: they're headed to Judiceno, La Pinranta, over 150 miles away by water. Isn't that incredible? Now this right here is a Tiger Cat X8 to the Defeller Buncher, a true powerhouse built for the unforgiving terrain of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Take a look at the high-performance Tiger Cat 5700 to hot saw, designed to bring down even the most massive hardwoods and softwoods with unmatched precision. Picture this: you're worried about that old oak tree towering over your home. Then this beast rolls in, handling it with surgical precision. The Cenobigin 718 reaches up, grabs the branches, snap, and down they go. Problem solved: quick, clean, and effortless. This cutting-edge machine features a patented stripping system designed to efficiently remove the outer layer of logs while preserving the core wood. It's incredibly versatile, operating in forests or mills, and compatible with both electric and tractor power. With a width of 2,300 millimeters, it processes logs ranging from 200 to 550 millimeters, capable of handling logs up to 6 meters long, processing an impressive 15 cubic meters every hour. This machine strips logs like peeling a banana. This is a textbook case of misplaced confidence. They're severely underestimating the risks here. That rope could snap at any moment, and if it does, game over. The sheer lack of awareness is baffling. All right, guys, feast your eyes on this absolute unit, the John Deere 1110E. This thing is an absolute beast on slopes, but it comes with a beast of a price tag too. We're talking $350,000. Is it worth it? Now that's what I call a job well done. They made that stump vanish like magic, seamless, efficient, and oh so satisfying. The intricate world of logging. Notice the precision involved. Our lumberjack, unfazed by the elements, uses time-tested techniques to fell these giants, and the logistics a formidable challenge, expertly tackled by modern machinery, a true marvel of human ingenuity and adaptation. If you can't wait for me, just imagine the sheer force needed to haul these massive logs. Up that steep incline you can almost hear the engine groaning. Feel the tires fighting for traction. It's a David versus Goliath battle, and we're all cheering for the underdog. 2000 is revolutionizing industrial wood chipping. It's state-of-the-art. Cutting technology ensures uniform chip sizes, ranging from 15 millimeters to 60 millimeters, making it suitable for multiple uses. True all-wheel drive, with independent hydromechanical drive on each axle, tackles rugged landscapes with ease. Built for longevity and minimal maintenance, the Diamond 2000 ensures maximum uptime. Its spacious elevated cab provides outstanding visibility, enhancing both efficiency and operator safety. You can almost feel the satisfaction in every swing, can't you? He's not just chopping wood, he's connecting with nature, finding rhythm in his craft. It's almost meditative, the way he's fully immersed in the task. This is the mark of a true expert. Barber chair's the silent killer. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, never underestimate them. This is the ultimate machine for stump grinding. It packs immense power, top-tier performance, and outstanding efficiency. The Vermeer SC30TX is designed to dominate. With its massive cutting, wheel and robust track drive system, this powerhouse tackles any challenge with ease. Say farewell to those stubborn stumps and welcome a beautifully cleared landscape. This idea has serious potential, but its execution needs improvement. The log splitting process seems inefficient, creating too much waste and failing to showcase the product's precision. On top of that, the opening moments suffer from choppy playback, likely caused by high hydraulic power consumption. Fine-tuning these elements will greatly enhance the machine's impact. Imagine tackling tough wood splitting jobs with ease. That's the power of the Woodcracker W1000. It's incredibly durable, versatile, and user-friendly. And thanks to its Hardock steel construction, it delivers more power, better efficiency, and less friction. A win-win in every way. Transporting these massive logs is no easy task. The terrain is rough and unforgiving. The roads are tight and winding. It takes a skilled driver with steady hands and an expert understanding of the vehicle's power. Navigate these obstacles with absolute precision. Listen up, everyone. The Savannah 1720 stump puller is an absolute beast. It rips those stumps out with no effort. And when paired with the Savannah rotary rake, boom, you're clearing land like a pro. 20 to 40 acres a day. That's insane. This is the future of land clearing, folks. This is no joke, people. The SID Forestry Disc Mulcher is a total game changer. It tears through 4-inch thick material like it's nothing, And those 8-inch trees, forget about it, this machine is a beast. With its replaceable teeth and powerful engine, it's built to tackle any challenge. You have to see it to believe it. Impressive, but risky. Let's think long-term. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about sustainability. Dividing the load into 2 trips reduces potential hazards and protects the equipment, ultimately saving time and resources. This is a textbook example of why proper felling techniques matter. Experience aside, it's a relief no one got hurt. That tree doesn't stand a chance against this beast of a machine. Talk about a wood chipper on steroids. But hey, that's just the circle of life, right? Out with the old, in with the new. Let's face it, nobody likes dealing with stumps. But with this tool, you might actually enjoy getting rid of them. It's that smooth. Watch the video and see how effortless it can be. Never underestimate the power of chance. Even with the best preparation, a falling tree is a force to be reckoned with. Respecting its unpredictable nature is key to both safety and success. Safety comes first. Please be careful. Luckily, he wasn't hurt. Trees are like unruly children. They don't always listen, so always be cautious. Ever wondered what the view is like for a crane operator up high? Check this video out to see. The Euro for Canter truck was forced off the road and overturned into the water. Not a pleasant experience at all, but thankfully no one was injured. Now this guy found himself in a real pickle. Chainsaw stuck at the very top of the tree. Talk about a bad day. Oh no. But get this. He actually used the tree itself to help him out. He pushed it over just enough to free the saw. What a close call. Definitely not something you see every day. Remember safety first. Tree felling is inherently dangerous. Before you even start, visualize your escape route. It could save your life. Well, someone forgot to yell timber. Luckily, he wasn't hurt. For a second there, I thought that truck was going to flip, but no, everything was under control. Now that's masterful truck driving. A classic case of, if you don't know what you're doing, leave it to the professionals. This is exactly why proper safety gear is a must. The NHS 450F is a powerhouse, offering a smart investment in renewable energy. Its high-capacity output maximizes biomass production, aligning perfectly with the increasing demand for sustainable fuel alternatives. This machine does more than just process wood. It helps pave the way toward a greener, more energy-independent future. I know exactly what you're thinking, and you're absolutely right. This wood splitter is a total game changer. For anyone looking to make firewood, time to retire that old axe for good. Folks, rural road safety is no joke. Overgrown trees, especially those towering giants, pose a serious safety threat. Strategic removal is essential to maintain clear sight lines and prevent dangerous accidents. These guys were seriously lucky. Not everyone walks away unscathed from situations like these. Look at that. Unbelievable. Now that's what I call high-flying delivery. That's one way to make an entrance. But seriously, who's in such a rush for lumber? Maybe someone's building a VIP treehouse. Ever driven a truck that makes you feel like the king of the road? That's the F-16-600. This thing has so much power it's almost ridiculous. I'm talking effortless overtaking. Hills, no problem. It's a dream to drive. I'm pretty sure there are things that just don't mix, like chainsaws and ladders, for example. Now this, my friends, is what I call a real workhorse, the BH-80X. Just chews through that tree like it's nothing. You see that? Smooth as butter. A close call on the ground ... That's tree removal high stakes, high adrenaline, and never a dull moment. Debarking logs used to be back-breaking work, but the Meber SLH, a total game changer. This beast handles logs up to 1.2 meters thick, stripping bark with surgical precision. Adjustable heads ensure a perfect peel every time. Efficiency and elegance in one machine. Impressive. Take a look at this Foley bell saw. A Model 14, this beast was a game changer back in the day. With its 48-inch blade, it could handle anything thrown its way. Built to last, and it did. This saw tells a story of hard work, dedication, and the American spirit. A reminder that we can build incredible things when we put our minds to it. Still doubting the power of a tree? This clip will prove its strength. Even a modest-sized tree can still cause serious damage. Never underestimate the force of nature. Thinking about getting into milling? Do yourself a favor and check out the Frontiero S27. With a price tag of around $3,647, it's a fantastic entry-level sawmill that won't break the bank. Easy to learn on, reliable, and delivers great results. Before you invest in a massive industrial mill, start with the OS27 and see if milling is for you. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish with this little workhorse. This Pacific truck is an absolute monster. The torque it generates is so intense. I'm surprised the ground doesn't shift beneath it. Well, here's a perfect example of life blessing. Some very lucky clumsy folks. Now let's discuss the Kirpin CH32. First off, it's got immense power. 31 tons of force, meaning it can take on nearly any log you put in its path. Second, it's highly efficient. Its dual speed function adjusts automatically to the wood being split. Third, it's built for durability. This machine is rugged, featuring a solid steel frame and a smooth, reliable hydraulic system. Powerful, efficient, and tough. Looks like we have an incoming message. Now this is where things get exciting. Our driver is facing a real test of skill here. The road is unforgiving, but he's handling it with the calm confidence of a seasoned pro. This is the level of expertise it takes to get the job done right. Well, the Bandit SG75 is an absolute monster. Stumps are disappearing in seconds. What do you guys think? Isn't this amazing? This is a classic example of misjudging a situation. A split second of distraction can spell disaster. You have to try this, it's unbelievably good. The SH360 Excavator Stumper redefines stump grinding efficiency. It seamlessly connects to your excavator's hydraulic system, offering unmatched precision and ease of operation. Plus, with an unobstructed view of the stump, you can work confidently and effectively. That rugged ridge forest holds a unique significance. Where tradition harmonizes with progress, they practice horse logging, an age-old technique, to selectively gather trees, used in producing their distinct maple syrup. This approach reflects their deep respect for nature and commitment to delivering a high-quality product. Hey there, timber lovers. Check out the Lumberjack 450. This beauty is a real showstopper. With its smooth 360-degree rotation, you can grab, cut, and stack timber with absolute ease. And that hidden shear blade, pure brilliance, no more annoying snags to slow you down. Built tough for the heavy-duty machines, the Lumberjack 450 is the ultimate tool for tackling any forestry challenge. Thank you for watching this far into the video. We hope you're enjoying it so far. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. What part do you find the most exciting? Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to support us. Your engagement helps us create even better content for you. Keep watching, there's still plenty more to come. Thank you for watching this far into the video. We hope you're enjoying it so far. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. What part do you find the most exciting? Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to support us. Your engagement helps us create even better content for you. Keep watching, there's still plenty more to come. It's not just about having a monster of a truck to conquer tough roads. It's about the driver behind the wheel, their skill, their experience. Combine those two, and bam, you've got an unstoppable force. Twice, he's found himself in trouble, and twice, he's walked away unharmed. I can't tell if this is his lucky or unlucky day. Not anymore. Imagine a time when the rhythmic clip-clop of horses echoed through Montana's forests. Instead of the roar of engines, that's the magic of horse logging, a tradition that, thankfully, is still alive today. It takes us back to a simpler time. It's a connection to our past that we must preserve. To ensure the long-term health of redwood forests, strategic thinning is absolutely essential. This allows younger, more vigorous trees to thrive. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.